Hey guys, subscribe for daily knife content. And if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing, or unpackaging rather, to share with you guys. How many of you guys say that with me? Do you say that with me in your head? And when you see that it's a package, do you say, or unpackaging rather? Oh my god, I say it so often I don't even think about it when I'm saying it. Jeez. Breaking it up today. Anyways, I don't know what's in here. We're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I'm sure you also say that with me as well. Consistency. Consistency. People are going to go, yeah, but it's getting annoying. It's really getting annoying. You should change that. No. What do we have? Oh, hang on a second. Hopefully there's a note in here. Wow. Okay, I'm so excited. Hello, MC. Hope all is well. Jeez. I was just not mentally prepared for that to say Vero Engineering on it, even though I knew that was coming. Oh my gosh. This is Adam M from Discord and YouTube. No need for an Instagram shout out or anything like that. It's all just part of the hobby for me. Cool. Hope you can enjoy the blank, because we're going to look at it here in a sec. Please feel free to use and carry as you please. That's so nice when people let me. Thank you. That's nice. Not that that's required when you send a knife into the channel, right? It's your knife. You get to tell me what I can and can't do with it. And by the way, anybody wondering, this will go back to the owner once I'm done reviewing it. I use all my knives. Looking forward to get to what you think about it. Thank you so much. Very cool. Oh boy. Let's adjust the. Is that good? Does the tone of my hands look natural? Not really. So this is obviously a knife from Vero Engineering, and these are quite popular right now. Knives from him and difficult to get. So this is the Axon. Oh boy, that is quite beautiful. Can we? Yes, we can. Oh boy. Oh man, I really like this. I really like this. Check that out. Numbered back here, and oh, look how he does his logo up there. That's so cool. Why is that important? Because this obviously has a very striking aesthetic. And admittedly, it will appeal to some people and not to others, but that's the case with every single knife. This is very beautiful to me. And because of his logo placement, we get to enjoy this amazing profile. This is not a review, guys. This is the first time I've ever handled it. And I know most of you know that, but there's always people going, at the end of my unboxing videos, they're like, that was a terrible review. They didn't talk very much about it. The full review will come 2 to 3 weeks down the road once I have had a chance to experience this. Oh boy. Yeah, I really like the look of that. That is awesome. Look at this, this handle profile and the freedom that's involved with it. I always talk about this. Now, this is another preference thing, but I am an ergo snob. I've actually become more of an ergo snob than I am a steel snob. And that's not my department, because I'm not a, I'm not a metallurgist or anything like that. But it comes often with the territory of being a knife enthusiast that, a large percentage of us end up being steel snobs, but I've come to really get picky about ergonomic lines, and obviously certain ergonomic lines will be more or less beneficial in an infinite number of circumstances, but I like freedom. I like straight lines. I don't like being confined, and this thing has unbelievable freedom associated with the profile of the handle here. People are like, listen to Complex and his dialogue. Oh my gosh, that guy thinks way too highly of himself. No, not really. I'm just a guy filming knives in his basement and talking about what I think here. Anyways, back to the knife. Yeah, so these are in really high demand right now. And it's my understanding that they are hard to get. Now, this is not the only model from Vero Engineering, or Actually, I'm very unfamiliar with his model line, but I have seen this on Instagram all over the place. Vero Engineering, Vero Engineering, Vero Engineering. And how, the models can be difficult to get. So this is the Axon, and I'll familiarize myself with the brand and everything like that before I do the video. But I can tell you guys right now, the placement of everything and ease of manipulation. I mean, it's like my hands just naturally know where to go with this thing. I love that little. It's just a rectangle. It's not actually. That's cool. I mean, it goes with the flow. It's perfect for the blade. And of course, this micarta I think looks excellent as well. Look how that liner's countersunk. That must be titanium because there's an insert. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that pocket clip. Let me take a look real quick. Yeah, that's nice. We're getting a little intimate here. It's getting a little bit weird. Yeah, I like this. Oh, I like this a lot. Oh, yeah. Draw cuts. Oh, this is cool. Very cool. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to experience that knife. And thanks to Adam here, I'm actually going to get to carry it and use it a little bit. That's excellent. I love the pouch. This is a big old heavy duty pouch. I like that a lot. Okay, some stickers and some patches. What do we have here? Oh, okay, we have the information card. Okay, Vero Axon, first run, Joseph Vero. Obviously, follow Vero Engineering on Instagram. M390 steel, there we go. Belt satin finish. It looks like there's a few different finish options, and configuration is raw. I'm not sure what that means. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's unboxing. I wish that I could say that I could link this this knife for you guys, but I can't. These are hard to come by. I'm hoping that we see an increase in production, and I feel like I've heard that. I don't know. I don't know anything other than just rumors, just tumbleweeds, right? I don't know. So, but anyways, this will be a fun one. Nice little cloth there, too. That's nice. Okay, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing and first impressions of the Vero Engineering Axon. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram. I can't pick it up now. Clip my fingernails. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.